Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect your printer to your Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the settings. In the settings you want to go to connected devices, and then over here go to connection preferences. Now over here we have printing, so let's go there. Now over here we need to add service. Now depending on the printer that you use, you might need to install a different app. Over here we have some example apps that we can download from the Google Play Store, and then we need to follow the instructions that are presented on the app itself, because due to the fact that we have a bunch of different apps for every type of printer or every manufacturer of printer, we will see different steps needed to set it up. But this is how we can set up and connect the printer to our Motorola Edge 50 Pro. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!